So I'm going through a lot because I know myself. I am going to bump this thing into every wall and countertop possible. I know who I am. Hi guys, my name is Untitled and welcome back to Living Life with your favorite nurse. So if you're new to my channel, we are all about health and wellness, lifestyle and beauty, and a little bit of nursing. So don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, welcome back. So of course, we are back with another unboxing. I know I love Apple products, as you guys could see, you know, cause why not? Let's do it. So I said, you know, why don't I, continue my philanthropy and, show you guys these products before you go out and buy them yourselves. You are welcome. No, you are welcome. It's okay. This video is not sponsored. Apple doesn't know me. I just love nice things. So I said, let me unbox this Apple Watch for you guys. Okay, we've covered that. All right, so let's get started. So it comes in this wonderful, handy dandy, fragile box. I've never gotten, I've never just gotten in a box like this. It's so small and cute, but yeah. So there's this little tear thing that says tear. Ooh, wow. This is quite pretty. Oh wow, this is just exciting. This is really exciting. I've never had an Apple Watch before. So this is like big for me. It's not like unboxing a phone because like I've had Apple phones. I've had phones before, as you know. But I've just never had a watch before, at least an Apple Watch. So like I am actually going through a lot right now. So let's do a close-up. Alright, so let's talk about which Apple Watch this is and the specs so you guys know what's going on. So this is the Apple Watch SE. So there's the Apple Watch Series 6. Then there's the Series 3. The SE is right in the middle of that. The 6 is obviously the most expensive. It's logic. And then there's the SE and then there's the 3. So the SE did come out in 2020, so it's meant to be like the little sister of the Series 6. So they do have a lot of features, and it also has some of the same features as the Series 3, but the Series 6 and Series 3 don't like have any of the same features, so that can be hard to understand. But yeah, SE. So I got the 40 millimeter. Yeah, I got the 40 millimeter. So they have the 44 and they have the 40. The 44 is obviously more expensive. No one has 44 millimeter money. So yeah, 40 will do. It doesn't need to be crazy big. They don't need to be seeing my screen from heaven. Let's have some privacy. So we got the 40. So we'll show you guys eventually when I open it what it looks like. I'll start unboxing it and talking at the same time. So one thing about the SE is that it doesn't have the always retina thing on. Like the screen isn't always on, and that is something that is in the Series 6. So for that, I was comparing both of them or like debating on which one that I want more. And yes, like I said, the Series 6 is more expensive, so I was like, okay, I won't get it for that sole reason. But if you always want your watch on, like without you turning your arm, then the Series 6 would be that watch. For the SE, I will have to, turn my wrist for the screen to turn on. And that's fine. I will get my wrist workouts in. Like, it's not a big deal. It's not. So with the SE, you also have capability to hook up your phone to it or make it cellular or whatever. I didn't do that because now you need a plan for your watch. You can still get text messages. You can still obviously do stuff on your watch without having cellular, but I don't believe like you can call from it because it has no plan. And that's okay. I have a phone for a reason. I don't need two phones. So no. So I just did the GPS, whatever like the standard thing is, and I think I will be okay. So this is what they look like. This is what came out of this handy dandy box. So this is the, what do you call this? Bracelet? Band? I don't know. This is the band I bought. I'll talk about this after. And I presume this is, you know, the watch part of it. So let's talk about color. When I was purchasing the watch, I did want gold. I really did want gold, but the gold that they had for the SE was not gold. They are a lie. Apple is a lie. The gold that they had was rose gold. If you now went to the Series 6, the gold that they had was gold. So for some reason the SE, their gold is rose gold. And then with their bands or whatever you call these things, like with the bracelet was actually gold. So the Apple Watch itself, like the rim of it for the SE was rose gold, and then the gold that they had for the bracelet was like gold. So it was two awful mixtures together. It was unacceptable. So what I thought is they wanted you to go to the Series 6 so that you can get the true gold, so that they can both actually be gold. Apple is just awful. And it's interesting they do these things and we still, maybe not we, but I still continue to buy from them. But it's rude because I did want gold, but you know what? I just took it as a blessing in disguise because a lot of my jewelry is actually, okay, we'll accept this one. But a lot of my jewelry is actually silver anyways, like my nose ring is silver, like my earrings are usually silver. So I just said, blessing in disguise, I will get my Apple Watch in silver, and yeah, that's the reason I got these colors. So if you do want an SE in gold, I wouldn't suggest it just because it's hideous. Yeah. You'd have to get the Series 6 for that, unfortunately. I can't remember what colors they had for the S3, but I wouldn't get an S3 anyways. So in regards to the bracelet, I can't remember what we decided to call this. But in regards to this, I did pay extra for this band because I really hate the sports bands. I'll show a picture of what the sports bands are. That's what most people use, and I wish I liked them because they are cheaper, but I don't. So I wanted also something that I felt like I could wear with everything. And I just feel like sports bands aren't really cute when you're like dressed up. Honestly, anyone can do what they want. Like, there's no rule book, but I just don't really like it that much. So I was like, let me get something that I can wear, like if I'm wearing a dress or if I'm going out or whatever, that I can just have all the time. I hope I can exercise with this. I don't know like how it will fit. There's no really size to it, I think. So I guess we'll see, but that's the reason I went with this band here. And again, I went with silver because I want it to be like uniform. I don't want like 10 different colors. That's unacceptable. Let's open this baby up. I hope you guys have noticed my nails cost a lot of money. I'm so excited. So the nails are great, but I actually can't use them for anything, which is awkward. Oh yay, thank God. This thing is so tiny. So this is our little watch. This is our baby right here. This is a cutie pie. So I actually did buy a screen protector off Amazon. So yeah, because I know myself, I am going to bump this thing into every wall and countertop possible. I know who I am. That's the thing. One thing you need to do is know yourself. Don't play yourself. If you need protection, get protection. Because, yeah. Oh yeah, speaking of protection, I got Apple Care. Because I was raised to buy Apple Care. And again, have protection. So I got it. It's extra money, but we'll be okay. So this just tells you what to do. Open your box. Okay, I did that. Put on your Apple Watch. Open Apple Watch on your app. Charge. There's a lot of stuff going on in there. Hopefully I don't need those instructions. Hopefully I got this. I don't know. So I guess this is the charging cable. Trust Apple, this is probably USB-C because they're crazy, awful people. I don't know. Oh, it's not. It's not USB-C. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is this? Oh, okay, so this is what you charge it on. That's what the instructions was telling me that I didn't listen to. So this is what you charge it on. It reminds me of, I can't remember that thing I bought for my phone. Oh, the MagSafe charger. That's what it reminds me of. So basically, I would put this on. Ooh, it's magnets. Cute. So that's how it would charge. And then I am so proud of Apple for using this port to charge. So all my other cubes can charge this, which is awesome because I have more of these cube hole things. I know that sentence didn't make sense, but anyways, that's fine. So I'm happy. Trust them. They're not going to give us a block because it's Apple and they're rude. So I expect nothing less. Yep, no block. So let's put this watch strap. Oh, it's a strap. Strap. The name just came to me. It's a strap. Oops. It said bracelet a lot. Oh my gosh, there's just so many papers. We're killing trees, Apple. We are killing trees. Oh, this is nice. So this is what, sorry, there's stuff stuck to me. This is what the strap, this is what the strap looks like. I love the way it feels. Like, it feels like it's like jewelry. It just feels good. It doesn't feel cheap. So that's really cool, actually. Yeah, I really like that. Like, it's like really sturdy. Like, it feels like bracelets that I have. So I like that because I don't really want this to fall on the floor. So basically you put this part. I don't know if you guys can see that. There's like the side of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. At least from the instructions, I'm acting like I know. You put it, no? Somebody? Ooh, got it. Okay, so part of it is stuck in there now. So it should be locked in there. And then I'll do the other side. Just so much work. This is hard. It's a magnet, so it just keeps like locking to each other. It's just giving me a hard time. I'm stressed. Oh, it lit up, guys. I didn't even tell it to light up. Do you see it lit up? Okay, so it's too big. It's ridiculous. It's too big. So I have to adjust it. Can't do anything with these nails. I'm struggling. This bracelet strap is cute, but it's really difficult. Because it's magnet, it just keeps magnetizing. There's probably an easier way to do this. I just don't know. Whatever. No, I don't like that. Okay, whatever. We will take it like this. We will take it like this. Like this. Alright, so now it's telling me to bring iPhone. Ooh. So it did something fun. There's a glare. So it's telling me use your iPhone to set up Apple Watch. So continue. That's only one thing I like about Apple. Some of their setups are easy. So set up by myself. And then it's just telling me to pair it together. So your Apple Watch is paired. So connecting your Apple Watch, this may take a moment. So So terms and conditions, I agree. Everything's fine. Bold text, I am kind of blind. That would do. That activity, absolutely. Because how many calories do I want to burn a day? I would like to burn 600 a day. So moderate. We need to get our workout on. So set goal. You guys should set the same goal. Daily exercise goal. We are going to do 60 minutes daily exercise goal. And daily stand goal. Oof. That was hard. I don't like the stand. Alright, set stand goal at 12 hours. Half a day. Unrealistic, but that's okay. We are not adding our credit card into this because if we do, I will buy everything else in the world. Oh, there's my credit card. Get set up later, which I'll never do. Heart rate notifications. Yes, I would like to know how my heart is doing. Apple Watch is syncing. It is syncing. Still syncing. Alright guys, so that's how it looks. The setup was really easy. I still need to kind of teach myself how to use it. I put it on my left hand because I use my right hand to write. I'm a right-hander, the best type of people in the world. So yeah, I just put it on my left. You know, I'm used to doing this, so that's where I put it. I really do like it. I have to actually learn how to use it. Again, I've never had one of these, so this is totally new. You see how I'm just like moving my hand? Like I have to hold myself differently. I have to carry myself differently now. Yeah. I really just like how it looks. I'm really happy I went with this band. Yeah, I think I am. It's really hard to like navigate and use. Ooh, the strap, I mean, the strap. I just really like how pretty it looks and like how everyday it looks. In regards to the navigation of the strap, how to get it on, I don't even know how to take it off, dead ass. I don't know how to take this strap off at all. But yeah, in regards to how it looks, I really like it. I like the size of the 40 millimeter screen. I don't think I needed a 44. Like I guess it would be bigger, but this looks fine to me. Like I can only imagine how a 44 would look like, but this looks great. Like I have no issue with the size of this, so I really like that. I like how it feels. I like that it's already paired with my phone. Like that was really easy. Like now I have an Apple Watch. Like now the world continues. Just like that. It was as simple as that. So I think that was great. I really like it. I will eventually customize it and do a video on that because I love to customize everything once I know how to use it. So that is basically it. So thank you guys for joining me for another unboxing. You are welcome. If you are interested in the Apple Watch or you want to treat yourself, I would suggest for now the SE. Maybe don't go to the Series 6. I don't think you have to unless you want it in gold and you want the screen to be lit up all the time. It's really pretty. It's really nice. I think it'll be fun to have. I like that it'll tell me to stand up, get up, breathe, move, all those fun things. So, you know, maybe I'll be a different person now. I don't know. So thank you for joining me. I will see you guys next week and keep living life from your favorite nurse. Let's also just talk about my nails.